Hi, and welcome back to Talk About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can search a specific service in Fiverr. Maybe you want to hire someone on Fiverr but you don't know how. So today, I am going to show you on how to search a specific service on Fiverr. Please check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Fiverr application. Once you've opened your Fiverr application and log into your account, simply tap on this search services. And then in here, simply input your service that you want. For example, I want a service that do video editor. And as you can see, here are some very specific services. For example, best YouTube video editors, playlist YouTube video editors, Minecraft video editors, and more. For example, if you are looking for best YouTube video editors, simply tap on this one. And then in here, you'll see all the freelancers that do video editing for YouTube. And you can also see their rate. There you go. If you wanted to know how to search for specific services in Fiverr, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to look for the specific services in Fiverr, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.